Hello everyone. In this video, we will do question number 2, exercise 7.1 and chapter 7 triangles of class 9th. So, question is ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC. So, see this is the figure. AD and BC are equal, and further it is written angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. So this is angle DAB, this full angle, it is equal to angle CBA, this full angle. So we need to prove these three subparts: triangle ABD congruent triangle BAC, then BD is equal to AC, then angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. So let's start doing the question. Given quadrilateral is a closed figure having four sides. So here we are given a quadrilateral ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD in which AD and BC are equal and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. And to prove, there are three parts which are to be proved. Part number 1, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Part number 2, BD and AC are equal. And part number 3, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. So these three parts are needed to be proved. So let's start doing the proof of these. Proof. Part number 1. In triangle ABD and other triangle is BAC. So ABD triangle is which one? This is ABD. This is ABD triangle. And another triangle is BAC. This is BAC. This one triangle. So we need to prove both these triangles congruent. So let's start. In triangle ABD, if you see AD and in other triangle it is BC. So AD and BC are given equal. So you can write it given. And in triangle ABD, DAB angle is there. Angle DAB. And it is equal to angle CBA. This is also given. What more? You can see from here AB and BA. For both these triangles, this side is common. AB and BA. You can see here DAB, and this another triangle is BAC. So both the triangles are having the same side, common side AB. So this side is common. So you can see this is side, this is angle, this is side. Similarly, side, angle and side. So SAS congruence is applied by SAS congruence condition. By SAS congruence condition, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. So both these triangles have been proved congruent by SAS. So first part is proved. Second part, since both these triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts will also be equal. You will write we have proved since we have proved that what we have proved that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. So BD, you can see from here, BD is equal to AC. So BD will be equal to AC, and the reason will be CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Third part will also be like C, ABD, that is equal to BAC. In the figure you can see here angle ABD किस ट्राइंगल में है, एंगल ABD DAB में. तो एंगल ABD is equal to angle BAC, and this is also by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. I hope you have understood the solution of this question. In case anything to ask, write in the comment section. If you have understood well, express in the comment section understood. And if you like the video, click like and share the link of the channels with others and subscribe the channel. Thank you.